This time I asked DeepSeek AI to give me a gaming PC build for the budget of $1,000. Firstly, it came up with a build from 2023 standard. Later, I asked for a 2025 one. Here's what it came up with. CPU, AMD Ryzen 5 8600. Cooler Master MasterLiquid ML2 40LV2. GPU, AMD Radeon RX 7700 XT. Motherboard, MSI Pro B650M, a Wi-Fi. RAM, Corsair Vengeance DDR5 16GB 2 kit of 8GB. Memory, Western Digital Black SN850X 1TB. Power supply, Corsair RM750e 750W 80 plus Gold Fully Modular. Case, Lian Lancool 216.
Subscribe to my channel.